Meaning of lymphatic.
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 Lymphatic. The term lymphatic refers to the lymphatic system, which is a network of tissues and organs in the body that helps to maintain fluid balance, absorb fats from the digestive system, and protect against infections. The lymphatic system consists of lymph nodes, lymphatic vessels, spleen, thymus, and tonsils. It plays an important role in immune function and the body's defense against pathogens and other foreign substances. Lymphatic can also refer to anything related to the lymphatic system or the movement of lymphatic fluid throughout the body.